guys, a lot of people like a lot of people harassing me, and they're saying, guys, we need more updates on the Temu. All right, so what has happened? Yes, I've got back from the Tesla trip. Everything's all done there. That's all finished. It was fully sick. Me and Charlie had a wonderful time. I'm just spending just on the gimbal footage, right? Just on the gimbal. You know the gimbal I put there? I barely even used it on that long trip. It has 3 hours and 9 minutes of footage. My phone took 1 hour and 45 minutes to download just the footage from when I left to when I got back onto my laptop, and now I have to go through that and edit the whole video. So that's going to be a little while. But as people know, I'm doing a Temu Honda build at the moment. Me and Riley are doing it. We got the T66 turbo. We got the Temu intake, the Temu bloody blow-off valve. And then we're going to take this to the dyno, see what we get. We're going to pop this out and put it into the new Tesla I just brought. So, the white Tesla is Emma's Tesla, all right? Emma sold her Tucson to buy that Tesla. And that is what her car is now, her daily, if we ever get it registered. But anyway, so then I also brought a blue flooded Tesla, and there's a video coming about that. That's more editing I have to do. And this motor is going in that blue Model 3 2020. All right, that is the plan, to drop the K-frame, drop this bad boy. Once we get 500 horses out of it, we'll slap it in the back, put a fuel tank, all the wiring, all that kind of stuff. But that all takes time, as you guys know. So I jumped the gun. I've got like 30 tires ready to go, and we don't even have a car to drift. And then we found out what kind of rims it takes. It takes Ford Falcon rims, because there's no rims on that. And then we found out the Honda rims fit on the Tesla, not Ford ones. Ford ones didn't fit perfect. The Honda ones do. So now we're really going to have a Honda Tesla. We need a name, guys. That's the main point of this video. I need a name for the Tesla. Do we call it a Tessie Hon? What did someone say? Teslon. Honda. Tesla Honda. I don't know. Someone made up some names. I don't know what to call it. Let's just call it the Honda into a Ford. I don't know. Let's just call it a Honda into a Tesla. I don't know what to call it. But what you guys, I do want to say is thank you so much for all the likes, follows, comments, everything. I know I'm not a very big channel, but we are ranked 12 millionth. We are on YouTube and we're 12 million. That's our rank. We're sitting at 12 million. Nowhere near the top, but you know, to me, there's 8 billion people in the world or some shit. Well, I'm 12 million on YouTube. I'm happy with that. I'm happy. I'm just here floating along. So thank you very much. And don't forget, I read every comment, every good comment, bad comment. I don't hide comments. And thank you. Have a great day. And remember, the Temu build's happening. Emma's car is back. And the blue Tesla is here. It just needs editing. You guys have a great day. Remember, like, follow, subscribe. Stay moist, stay triggered.